We are so excited to announce that CIT Blackrock Castle Observatory has created a one-stop shop for all your space education needs with our brand new BCO Education YouTube channel. We're supporting aspects of both the primary and post-primary curricula with bite-sized videos so that you, the teachers of Ireland, can use our education resources and learn how you can use space and the wonders of the universe as a theme to inspire, enthuse, and engage your class. We'll be constantly updating the channel with fun activities for your classroom, short lessons on what to look for in the night sky, and space-related background content for you and how you can bring that to your students in the classroom. So start exploring the BCO Education channel today on YouTube. Remember to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you get updated when we post new content and you won't miss out on our latest videos. Join us today to learn how you can use space as a cross-curriculum theme and how to teach all subjects, not just science.